What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle and welcome back to Angelle's Life. So today I have an unboxing of this beauty here. So, box, bag, okay. This is what it is, okay? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We have the Speedy 25, right? Now y'all know I sold my armor and I sold my toiletry pouch, right? I intend on buying the armor again, not gonna lie, and the Demira bin, and then I'll be done with Louis Vuitton. It's only actually 2 Louis Vuitton bags that I want. I'm sorry if y'all hear Angel downstairs, full-time mom, what can I say? But isn't she gorgeous? She's beautiful. And do you want to know what's so funny? I thought, like, when I went into the store and I checked her out, I just knew it was going to be so big, right? It is not big. It is like the perfect size. So of course there is the zip inside here, and then my lock and keys are in this little pouch here, and that's it. Keys here, lock here. Okay, that's it. Why did I get the 25 regular over the B25? One, obviously the B25 has more of a shutter there. I'm not really a fan of it, and to be completely honest with y'all, look at that. Can y'all imagine that sitting on me crossbody, just sticking out like that? Something about that to me just looks and feels so crazy. Like, if I'm gonna have a crossbody bag or even like a shoulder bag, like this hanging like that just kind of looks like luggage to me. I am a very small woman. I'm only 5 feet, 110 pounds, soaking wet. So I don't like big bulky things hanging off of me. Even my Alma BB, when I had it, I never wore it crossbody because it's just, even though it's a smaller bag, just kind of big and bulky sticking out like that. Like, I don't know, it's just, it doesn't suit my body frame very well. But this, just, you know, hanging down, cupped under, absolutely perfect. Another reason that I have wanted this bag is because my Mimo used to have it, and I've always, like, my mom was so different. She was so different and she was so cool. And she had it. She was the first black woman that I personally myself had ever saw with it. My mom had like a lot of designer bags and stuff like that, and she, like I said, was the first person that I ever saw with it. And I say when I get older, like, yo, I'm gonna get that one. I'm gonna get that one. The Alma BB I wanted just because I wanted that one. This one is like homage to my mom, so I really, really like love that idea. But yes, we are here. Even though I'm pretty sure my mom had a 30, not a 25. But yeah, Speedy here, unboxing. Y'all see it. It just boxed dust bag, paid $10.30 in pounds, which came out to like $11.80 in USD, and we're here. So that's it. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.